Look at these guys. They're stopping people all over the street for nothing. No, they're not. Criminals! You guys are criminals.
What's going on, folks, and welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network. I'd like to thank you all once again for tuning in. Today I'm bringing to you guys a video brought by the way of this channel here, going by the name of Cliff. In this video, this individual and his mother are pulled over by the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Office for speeding at 80 miles an hour. At least that's what this cop's reasoning was for this stop. The funny thing I want to point out in this video before we get into anything else, I'm not exactly too sure where or what street this took place on, but in this video we can see two other traffic stops taking place along down the road. I can only imagine for the same exact reason. This driver claims throughout this entire video that he had his vehicle's cruise control set at 60 miles per hour. And the best part about all of this is the deputy refuses to show him the speed of what he clocked him at. This video was uploaded just a few days ago, so there is no update on this incident as of yet. I want you all to head over to his channel to go show some support. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. I'll go ahead and see you guys at the end of the video.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm Deputy Van Arn from the Palmdale Sheriff's Station, stopping you for your speed a little bit fast.
The speed limit's 60. I was doing 60. My cruise control was set.
Yeah, we had you at 80. That car that we got pulled over right
No, you didn't. You didn't catch me at 80. You're a liar.
Well, can I get your license, please, sir?
I need a legitimate. I need to see your radar or something that says you caught me at 80 when I was doing 60.
We're doing a speed operation out here. Okay, I don't have the laser gun on me.
You didn't clock me doing 80. You're a liar, bro. I just beat a case like this in court. You'll see me in court.
Okay, that's fine. Can I get your license?
Yeah, you'll get my license. Insurance should be in the glove box.
I'm also recording, so you don't need to if you don't want to. But
No, I'm recording because you're a liar, dude. You just lied. Blatantly fucking lied, dude. You're a goddamn liar. I hate liars, dude. You are a criminal. You're part of a criminal conspiracy to defraud citizens of their money. You're a fucking criminal, dude.
And you still live out there in Lakewood?
That's none of your business where I live, dude. I gave you my ID. That's what it says, right? So that's all you. Don't worry about it. There's no questions. You're cutting me a ticket. Cut me a ticket.
Mr. Hicks, calm down.
No, dude. You illegally pulled me over. I don't need to calm down. You're violating my rights right now. It's a Fourth Amendment violation. You illegally pulled me over and then lied about my speed. Yes, it is. You can't stop someone for not breaking the law and say they broke the law. That's a crime, dude. You're a fucking liar. Just go cut the ticket. So I'll see you in court.
Okay, so I'll tell you what. Do you have a more current insurance card for me? This one expired. Actually, hold on a second. It's not April yet. You're good. You're good.
Yeah.
There you go. That's a good one. There you go. Do you have the registration?
Yeah, it's right here. Yep. You see all this on your shit, though.
Okay, just want to make sure, you know, that you just had to carry it in your vehicle. I'll tell you what, give me a moment, I'll be right back, okay?
Yep. I wasn't. My cruise control was set at 60. They do this to me all the time. This is what I keep telling you.
It was the noise of the car.
Yeah. They're fucking criminals. These cops are fucking criminals. I literally had my cruise control set at 60, and he said I was doing 80, but he doesn't have a radar. How the fuck can you be doing 80 miles an hour, catch me doing 80 when you don't have a radar? You're right behind me, so you're clocking me. You can see I'm only doing 60 because cars are passing me.
When I looked at your speedometer, it was around 59.
Yeah, and the speed here is 60. This guy's a fucking straight up liar.
Well, you don't have to be so rude, Cliff.
Yeah, I do. I don't like liars, dude.
That's kind of what that cop acted like yesterday.
They're fucking scandalous scumbags, dude. They break the law and then they say you're breaking the law.
Are these San Bernardino or LA cops?
They're LA County Sheriff. You're cutting me a ticket, cut me the fucking ticket. It's a Fourth Amendment violation, dude. You cannot just pull people over for no right. You have to have a legal reason to stop somebody in the United States.
That other car might have been doing 80, but you weren't.
The law is really clear on this, dude. You cannot just pull people over for no cause and just lie and say they're doing something.
This right here, folks, is absolutely correct. If you are pulled over by the police or sheriff's department, they must articulate a law or traffic infraction that was broken. They cannot make up just any law or excuse on the spot to pull you over and hassle you. When this occurs, this usually tends to lead to further retaliation from the cops in hopes to run you through their system, make you step out of your vehicle so they can proceed to search it. And let's not forget the case law of Pennsylvania versus Mims does allow the police to order you out of your vehicle. Although, you must remember that you still have the right to your Fourth Amendment to refuse or decline a vehicle search. Sometimes cops will try in certain situations where they will create their own probable cause by saying they have an odor of marijuana to search your property. There is several videos on the internet where this is all easily avoided just by knowing what your rights are and knowing how to stand up for them. You empower yourself just by having the knowledge to do so. Let's keep watching.
Just wait.
It's a whole sack of dog shit, dude. This guy knows he's a fucking liar.
It's just a way to make money.
Yeah, well, they'll see me in court, dude. You can't just be pulling people over illegally for not breaking a law.
I bet you they're not going out the same way you are, but I bet you they're giving the cops help.
Everybody here is getting a ticket for not breaking the law, probably.
Oh, that's a check right there.
I mean, I seen this dude come off the side street. He was right behind me.
Yeah,
He didn't see me doing 80 miles an hour.
Well, you weren't. How?
I know, my cruise control was set at 60. Look at these guys. They're stopping people all over the street for nothing. No, they're not. Criminals! You guys are fucking criminals.
He wasn't going 80 miles an
No.
hour. That maroon car.
No, they're stopping people for no reason right now. They're just stopping anybody and everybody. They're a bunch of fucking criminals.
They're just doing what their boss tells them to do, Cliff.
We're their boss. They work for us. It says protect and serve on those vehicles. It doesn't say control and dominate. Look at these guys. Illegal U-turn. I want his ass ticketed. Those are all illegal U-turns. You can't just leave the shoulder and turn around like that.
He's going to ticket that car.
This bitch. You illegal U-turn. Here's another one. Illegal U-turn. Look it. They're all breaking the law while they're giving people tickets. Are you going to cite all these guys for illegal U-turn? Because they're all taking a turn from the shoulder over the double yellow. That's a violation of the law. That's a real one, not a lie like you made up my speed.
Mr. Hicks,
What do you want?
I do need to get your signature really fast.
Yeah, I know how to deal with this, dude. Just hand me the thing so I can sign it.
I'm not going to hand you this order. I hold on to this while I get your signature.
Can I?
No, that's not how it works.
Yes, it is. For me.
Since when?
Since I hold on to it like this.
Yeah, criminal.
All right.
There you go. I need your name and badge number for the camera.
It's all on here.
No, that's not how it works, bro. The Badge Act of 1993 says you need your badge. You have to give your name and badge number.
Don't get yourself all worked up.
That's the Badge Act of 1993. Know the law before you try to uphold it.
Listen to me. Stop getting yourself all worked up.
No, I have a legal reason to be worked up. You just violated my Fourth Amendment right to move freely through the country.
Be quiet for a second.
I don't have to.
Is this your mom? I feel sorry
Yeah,
for her right
it's
now.
my First Amendment right to digress you however I see fit. So you don't get to tell me nothing.
Argue with me over all this, okay?
You broke the law, dude. I'll see you in court, and then I'll see you in a federal court after that.
That's fine too.
Give me my ticket.
You want my name and badge number first?
Yes, I do.
Okay, then relax and calm down. Slow yourself down.
No, you slow yourself down and just give the name and badge number. You're not my daddy. You don't talk to me like that. You're my employee.
Okay, here's this. My name's on there.
I need your name and badge number for the camera.
Have a great day, sir.
No,
Drive safe.
all right. Now, that's a constitutional violation. I need his car's number. I need the vehicle number off your vehicle because I'm turning you in for a constitutional violation. The Badge Act of 1993 says you have to name and ID.
My name's on there, but you're all worked up.
No,
over nothing.
you need to ID yourself, badge number and
My
name.
name is Van Ornum.
2714.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's that
it wouldn't have been
simple.
that hard because you just violated the Badge
All
Act by
you wanna
not doing
do-
it
hey,
before I got
all
out.
you want to do is sit here and argue with me. I'm
No,
not-
I want you to do your fucking job properly. I don't want you to break the law and then tell me I'm breaking the law when you're doing it.
good day. Goodbye,
You
sir.
fucking scumbag. You fucking piece of shit lowlife. Eat a dick, fucker.
Alright folks, and that's all she wrote for this one here. If I could share my piece of what I think about this whole interaction, I personally think that this cop was lying about the speed that this man was going. This is where the importance comes in of having a dash cam that records how many miles per hour you are going. This will help you tremendously in your defense if a cop tries to falsely charge you for speeding. And to be completely honest with you folks, it looks like the deputies patrolling this area are having a blast doing this to folks left and right. If you notice the two other traffic stops taking place on the exact same road this one is, like I said earlier in this video, this was uploaded just the other day, about a week ago, to this man's channel. If you go through the comments of this video, he states that he has repeatedly beat these kinds of tickets in the court of law and the cops never show up to court, which I'm pretty sure is expected to happen here with this incident as well. To learn more about your rights and how to stand up for them in the face of government tyranny, I want you all to hit the like and subscribe, as well as the bell notifications down below for future videos. The First Amendment to the United States Constitution protects your right to freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and the freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Remember folks that if you don't know your rights, you will not have any rights. Thank you all once again for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.